So promoting Amazon affiliation links on Pinterest. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest and make money using that. So for that you have to go to any of the browser and type in Amazon affiliates, and you just have to go to this website, which is affiliate programs amazon.com. And in this website, as you guys can see the process, you just need to create an account. They'll recommend you a lot of products that you can affiliate. Select any of the product, and you will get the links for the products to share. After getting the links, you have to go to Pinterest, and in Pinterest I'm going to go to this website. So in Pinterest, you will need to create an account. After creating an account, you need to upload the photos. After creating an account, you're going to need these kind of photos that you can upload on your Pinterest, and make sure to match the image and the link of your product that you are affiliating on Amazon should be same. So whenever someone clicks the links using your Pinterest post, it will take them to that Amazon product and you will generate money from that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.